So my roots them come from the ground. That's African soil, but the pavement ting got the broskies 10 toes down. Like everyone's out for the pound, but the paper ain't got a Nubian queen with a jewellery and a crown. Still kings and queens for the things we've seen. Like haters, look at us now. Jump down in the ocean, can't swim but you know I'm wavy. To the melanin drips, every step's that I take footprint, them looking like gravy. But I ain't talking Bisto, I'm talking the sauce in the pot that auntie made me. Need A1, A2 and A3, big paper reparations from slavery. Still look at us crazy, for the colour of the skin opaque, and the frequency stays high, and the vibration stays bassy. Spread love in abundance, take what talking the real truth comes with. Come 60% of water, make sure you don't drown in the current. Make sure you don't drown in your hatred, cause that vibration stays low and that frequency, man, it stays on basic. Me and Steph out getting creative, till the blood dries in my veins, there's no plan B, we ain't chasing status. We ain't chasing papers, we just wake 'em and escape the agents.
Walk one for you, got me out here singing big song for you. Out here honest, all in my feelings, got me really seeking some truth. Jump in the booth, tight up ting, I hate moving loose. Tight up ting, it might get obtuse. Jump in the deep end and move. I flow like water flows in and never gets caught up. This ting give man life on so many planes, I blink and the day gets shorter. Tutu Crystal, I bought her, treat her right, she's somebody's daughter. Sage her, pray for her and then beat it, plant our things in there and then reap it. What? Drip so saucy, when I dip she's getting all salty, cute. Oozing out with her greatness, she loved me before I get famous, true. Natural ting, earthy vibey, my time this. Man can't get another vibe like this, can't lose this shit, my bro, I'll be pissed.